Have you ever felt stuck in a cycle of negative emotions, wondering why your life seems to be a constant struggle? You're not alone. Many of us have experienced the weight of low-frequency emotions like fear, anger, and guilt, which can hold us back from living the life we truly desire. But what if I told you that you have the power to shift your emotional state and transform your reality? Imagine a life where you wake up each morning feeling energized, inspired, and ready to take on the world. A life where you effortlessly attract positive experiences, fulfilling relationships, and abundant opportunities. This is the power of high-frequency living, and it all starts with understanding the connection between your emotions and your vibrational energy. In this video, we'll dive deep into the fascinating world of emotional frequencies and explore how they shape our thoughts, behaviors, and overall well-being. We'll uncover the impact of low-frequency emotions and how they can block our manifestation potential, keeping us stuck in a cycle of limitation and frustration. But here's the good news. You have the ability to shift your emotional state and embrace high-frequency living. By the end of this video, you'll have a toolbox of practical techniques to help you overcome low-frequency emotions and align with the vibration of your desires. But before we dive in, take a moment to reflect on your current emotional state. How often do you find yourself feeling weighed down by negative emotions? Have you ever wondered if there's a better way to navigate life's challenges? If you're ready to unlock the secrets of high-frequency living and manifest the life of your dreams, then this video is for you. So, let's get started on this exciting journey together. Understanding emotional frequencies. Picture this. You're walking down the street and you see two people engaged in a heated argument. As you pass by, you can't help but feel the tension in the air, and suddenly your own mood begins to shift. You might feel anxious, irritated, or even angry without fully understanding why. This is a perfect example of how emotional frequencies can affect us, even when we're not directly involved in the situation. But what exactly are emotional frequencies, and how do they work? To understand this, we need to dive into the fascinating world of energy and vibration. You see, everything in the universe, including our thoughts and emotions, is made up of energy vibrating at different frequencies. Just like a radio dial tunes into specific frequencies to play different stations, our emotional state can be thought of as a frequency that attracts experiences of a similar vibration. Now, imagine a scale ranging from low to high frequencies. At the lower end, we have emotions like fear, anger, guilt, and shame. These heavy, dense emotions vibrate at a low frequency and can keep us stuck in patterns of negativity and limitation. On the other hand, at the higher end of the scale, we find emotions like love, joy, gratitude, and peace. These light, expansive emotions vibrate at a high frequency and have the power to elevate our entire being. But here's the thing. Our emotional state isn't just a passive response to the world around us. In fact, our emotions are constantly shaping our reality, whether we realize it or not. Have you ever noticed how, when you're feeling down, everything seems to go wrong and challenges keep piling up? That's because your low-frequency emotions are attracting more experiences that match that vibration. On the flip side, when you're feeling happy, grateful, and inspired, good things seem to flow to you effortlessly. Opportunities arise, relationships flourish, and life just feels easier. This is the power of high-frequency emotions in action, aligning you with experiences that match your vibration. But don't just take my word for it. Science has begun to explore the fascinating connection between our emotions and our physical health. Studies have shown that chronic stress and negative emotions can weaken our immune system, while positive emotions like gratitude and compassion can actually boost our resilience and well-being. But how exactly do we break free from the cycle of low-frequency emotions and embrace a high-vibrational way of living? In the next section, we'll explore the common low-frequency emotions that hold us back and the powerful strategies you can use to overcome them. Trust me, this is a journey you won't want to miss. The impact of low-frequency emotions. Have you ever felt like you were stuck in quicksand, sinking deeper and deeper into negative emotions with each passing day? If so, you're not alone. Low-frequency emotions like fear, anger, guilt, and shame are all too common in our fast-paced, high-stress world. But what many people don't realize is that these emotions are doing far more than just making us feel bad. They're actually holding us back from living the life we truly desire. Imagine for a moment that your mind is like a garden. Every thought you think and every emotion you feel is like a seed that you plant in that garden. If you continually plant seeds of low-frequency emotions like fear and anger, what kind of garden do you think you'll end up with? A garden filled with weeds of negativity, limiting beliefs, and self-doubt. But here's the thing, those low-frequency emotions aren't just affecting your mental state. They're also having a profound impact on your physical health and your ability to manifest your dreams. Studies have shown that chronic stress and negative emotions can lead to a weakened immune system, increased inflammation, and even an increased risk of heart disease and other serious health problems. And when it comes to manifestation, low-frequency emotions are like a giant roadblock standing between you and your desires. You see, the law of attraction states that like attracts like. So if you're constantly vibrating at a low frequency, you'll attract more experiences that match that vibration. More stress, more struggle, and more frustration. But here's the good news. Just as low-frequency emotions can hold you back, high-frequency emotions have the power to propel you forward. By shifting your focus to emotions like love, joy, gratitude, and peace, you'll start to attract more positive experiences into your life. You'll feel lighter, more inspired, and more in alignment with your true purpose. So, how can you make the shift from low frequency to high frequency living? In the next section, we'll explore some powerful strategies for raising your vibration and embracing a more positive, fulfilling way of life. Shifting to high frequency living. Imagine waking up each morning feeling energized, inspired, and ready to take on the world. Imagine going through your day with a deep sense of purpose, knowing that you're in alignment with your highest potential. This is what it feels like to live a high-frequency life. And it's a reality that's available to everyone, no matter where you're starting from. But how exactly do you make the shift from low-frequency to high-frequency living? The first step is to become mindful of your thoughts and emotions. Start paying attention to the stories you tell yourself and the way you react to challenges and setbacks. Are you constantly dwelling on negative experiences or beating yourself up for past mistakes? Or are you focusing on the present moment and looking for the opportunities in every situation? One powerful tool for shifting your mindset is the practice of gratitude. By taking time each day to focus on the things you're thankful for, no matter how small they may seem, you'll start to retrain your brain to look for the good in life. You'll find that even in the midst of challenges, there are always blessings to be found. Another key strategy for raising your frequency is to surround yourself with positivity. Seek out uplifting books, podcasts, and people who inspire you to be your best self. Create a sacred space in your home that feels nurturing and supportive, filled with items that bring you joy and remind you of your dreams. But perhaps the most important thing to remember is that shifting to high-frequency living is a journey, not a destination. It's a daily practice of choosing love over fear, gratitude over complaint, and faith over doubt. And like any new habit, it takes time and consistency to truly transform your life. That's why it's so important to be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress along the way. Recognize that every small step you take towards living a more positive, purposeful life is a victory worth acknowledging. And as you continue on this journey, you'll start to notice profound changes in your life. Opportunities will begin to flow to you with ease, relationships will deepen and flourish, and you'll feel a renewed sense of excitement and passion for the future. So, are you ready to embrace the power of high-frequency living? In the next section, we'll explore how this way of being can help you manifest your deepest desires and create a life beyond your wildest dreams. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Get ready to take your manifestation practice to a whole new level. Manifesting with high-frequency emotions. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly attract abundance, success, and happiness into their lives, while others struggle to manifest even the smallest of their dreams? The secret lies in the power of emotional alignment, the practice of aligning your emotions with the vibration of your desires. You see, the law of attraction is always responding to the frequency of your thoughts and emotions. If you're constantly vibrating at a low frequency, focusing on lack, fear, and limitation, then that's exactly what you'll continue to attract into your life. But if you can learn to raise your frequency and align with the vibration of your desires, you'll become a magnet for miracles. This is where the power of high-frequency emotions comes in. By consciously choosing to focus on emotions like love, joy, gratitude, and abundance, you'll start to shift your vibration to match the frequency of your desires. And as you do, you'll begin to notice incredible synchronicities and opportunities showing up in your life. Take the story of Sarah, a young woman who had been struggling to manifest her dream job for years. Despite her best efforts, she kept getting rejected from every application and interview. But then she learned about the power of emotional alignment and decided to give it a try. Instead of focusing on her fears and doubts, Sarah started each day by visualizing herself in her dream job, feeling the joy and fulfillment of doing work she loved. She created a vision board filled with images and affirmations that reflected her desired reality, and she made a point of practicing gratitude for all the blessings in her life. And then, just a few weeks later, she received a call from her dream company, offering her the exact position she had been visualizing. Sarah's story is a powerful reminder of what's possible when we align our emotions with our desires and trust in the universe to deliver. But manifesting with high-frequency emotions isn't just about visualizing and hoping for the best. It's also about taking inspired action towards your dreams while staying detached from the outcome. This means focusing on the journey, not just the destination, and trusting that the universe has your back every step of the way. And the more you practice aligning your emotions with your desires, the more you'll start to see evidence of your manifestations showing up in your life. You'll find that opportunities come to you with ease, relationships flourish, and you feel a deep sense of purpose and fulfillment in all that you do. So, are you ready to harness the power of high-frequency emotions and become a master manifester? The key is to start small and be consistent in your practice. Take time each day to visualize your desires, feel the emotions of already having what you want, and take inspired action towards your dreams. And trust that the universe is conspiring in your favor always. Wow, what an incredible journey we've been on together. From understanding the science behind emotional frequencies to mastering the art of manifestation, you now have a powerful toolbox of strategies for shifting your vibration and creating the life of your dreams. But before we wrap up, I want to leave you with a few final thoughts. First and foremost, remember that this journey of personal growth and transformation is a lifelong one. There will be ups and downs, challenges and triumphs, but through it all, keep coming back to the practices and principles we've explored together. Secondly, don't be afraid to dream big and go after what you truly desire. The universe is limitless, and so are you. When you align your emotions with your highest vision for your life, there's truly nothing you can't achieve. And finally, remember that you are never alone on this journey. You are part of a global community of individuals who are all waking up to their true potential and creating lives of joy, abundance, and fulfillment. Lean on this community for support, inspiration, and encouragement, and know that your own journey has the power to inspire others in ways you can't even imagine.